One of the things we always hear at farm shows is that's holding people back from putting in their own tile is they don't know where to put the tile. And we found that over many years that's always a sticking point for customers is coming up with that tile design, determining the depths, the sizes, the spacings, the grades, all that type of stuff. Well, that's why we came out with a product we call FlowX. What FlowX is, it's an app you can download on your phone. If you have a field you want to tile, you outline the boundary of it, answer a few questions, and then it goes to a tile designer that we have on contract that gets an engineer stamp of approval put on it, and they design a tile plan for you. So the engineers that are designing the tile plans, they are taking into account soil type, soil texture, depth limiting layers, KSAT values, and they're using all that data to determine your tile spacing, maybe what kind of tile you should probably be using, whether it's perforated or knife cut, or maybe you need a solid core main because you have trees around your field or something like that. They're using all that data to determine everything you need to know about your tile plan. Once the tile plan has been completed, you get a chance to look it over. If you think everything looks good, then they will send you a file that you can put on your AgLeader screen and load that tile plan directly into your display. Now, we're not going to install directly off that tile plan as far as the depths and elevations, because if you didn't provide them with physical RTK elevation data, then the elevations they're giving you probably aren't going to match the elevations in the field. But you will still have a tile plan so you know what size goes where, and then you're just going to survey it in your screen like you normally would, and then install it like you normally would. So you need to answer a few questions in FlowX in order for the tile designer to be able to do a good job. One of the very first things that we're going to make you do is we're going to make you call 811, and we're going to make you have them come to the field, and in the app you can go map any utilities that happen to be out there. The other thing that we're going to want is if you have a specific area of the field that you want the tile to outlet to, when you're drawing your boundary, you have the option to put outlets on the boundary so that way the tile designer will take the tile where it needs to go. The typical turnaround time for a design in FlowX is going to usually be within about 48 to 72 hours after the 811 data has been uploaded. So your finished tile plan that you're going to get as a PDF version is accessible via the web or via the app. But to download the data you're going to need to put into your display, if you would like that, you're going to have to do that through the web version. So if you want to learn more about FlowX, just download the app on the App Store or the Google Play Store and we can get connected.